Hello. There are basically four arithmetic operations defined in microcontroller 8051: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Using this, we can also do other complicated arithmetic operations like squaring, cubing, finding square root, multiplication of 16-bit, multiplication of 8-bit by 16-bit, so on. So here I am just taking an example of multiplication of data. Okay, so I am taking a little complicated one, multiplication of 16-bit by 8-bit. So this image basically illustrates how the multiplication is done. Suppose first number is composed of many number of bytes A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 and A7. Similarly, the second number is composed of bytes B0 to B7. How do we basically multiply? We multiply B0 A0 and we write that intermittent product here. Next, I will multiply A0 B1, A0 B2, A0 B3, so on to A0 B7 and write the intermittent results. Next step, A1 with all the bits of B0 to B7. It is written and it is being basically passed. Likewise, we keep on writing all the intermittent products. On multiplying and getting all the intermittent products, what we basically do, we would directly write this bit down there. Add these two bits, write it down there. Add these three bits, write it down. Right? Likewise, we'll keep on doing it. While we add one stage to another, if there is any carry, we'll also consider that. Right? This is how we basically multiply the numbers. Now, taking an example, particular example here in the program, I am considering the first 16-bit, that is 78EF, and 8-bit, that is 24. So 78EF and 24 are the two numbers, 16-bit and 8-bit numbers that I want to multiply. How do I do it? First step I would multiply EF into 24. Okay, I would write down what is the result. Second step. Now let me say the result here is XXXX. It depends on what is the number you are taking. I am usually calling it as XXXX. Next, I would multiply the next second stage, that is 78 into the same multiplier to F. Suppose I get the result YYYY. How do I basically add it? So I would first write down what is the first intermittent result, XXXX. Then I would write YYYY. Okay. So what do I do next? I basically add them together. How do I add them? First, I will write down this XX as it is below. I will write it down. Next, I will add this XX and YY, okay, higher byte of first product and lower byte of second product to get ZZ. Next, if there is any carry with this addition, I would add it here. I would add it along, so I would be writing YY here. This is how I basically perform the 16-bit into 8-bit multiplication. So we'll see how do we execute and get the result. So I'm going to kill. I have kept the program ready. Okay, we have typed the program. I'll just briefly explain how the program basically works. So here I am taking 78EF into 24 is the number that I need to multiply. Okay, here what we'll be doing is, so we'll choose one destination or source, that is 8050, again left to the user. Fetching that number, that is 24 is fetched. Okay, seeing this table here. Okay, 8050 had 24, that is fetched to A and also copied to B. Why? We need 24 two times. 78 into EF, 24 and 24 into EF. Two times we need it. And I am also making one temporary copy on stack. Okay. So now what do? I'll fetch the second number EF, okay, lower byte of multiplicand to A, and I'll multiply. I will be getting this XXXX. I'll temporarily store this in the memory, temporary memory, that is register R1 and R2. Right? Next, what should I do? 24 was stored on stack. I will pop it back. I'm taking it back. And I will multiply with 78. Okay? So I'll multiply it with 78. Now the results. The results are A and in B. Now what is in A? A is having lower byte. B is having higher byte. We can directly add them and store the results, okay, in the memory location consecutively. So I am taking the memory location here is 8055, where I will basically store the result. So type in the same program, the same logic here. The file is also added, okay, with some appropriate name. I am saving. Hopefully there are no errors. Let's check. There is one error in line 21. MOVX at is missing. At dptr. Now see. Now I am having 0 warnings and 0 errors. Well and good. Next, let us go for building it. Upon building, now I'll debug. So let's give the inputs. First I'll give multiplier, lower byte of multiplicand, that is EF, higher byte of multiplicand, that is 78. So just record that, and sorry, there is 8050H basically. So let's get 24, let's get EF and 78. After giving it, I'm just running. So where was the results to be seen? 55H according to the program. You can see the result is 9C0111. The answer is basically 1101 and 9C. This is what my answer was. So basically it is sort like we are storing lower bytes. So 9C0111. It is stored from lower to higher. Hope you people have understood this program. With little bit of working from your side, putting efforts from your side, I'm sure you will excel in this particular program, and it needs a lot of working upon it. So if you work upon it, I'm sure you can crack this program and do it easily. So with the same logic, you can also extend to multiplication of 16-bit by 16-bit. Hope this has cleared and thrown some light on the program using the arithmetic operations. Thank you.